A very warm welcome to our Berlin Marriott Hotel. My name is Antje Heinz. I'm an original Berliner and senior sales manager for our wonderful hotel. Built on the remnants of the former Berlin Wall, we stand at one of the city's most meaningful intersections, a place where East and West, once divided, now come together. Our ground floor has been completely transformed. Our guests are now welcomed by a newly renovated reception that creates a truly inviting first impression. At the same time, it brings together a lively central bar, a stylish dining area and a quiet lounge, creating one harmonious space inspired by modern elegance and the urban spirit of Berlin. Our newly renovated Midtown Grill is a New York steak restaurant with Berlin soul, serving traditional steak specialties and American classics with a modern touch through regional, light and healthy elements. Our highlight, a new in-house butchery where you can choose your own cut. For dessert, you have to try our one-of-a-kind New York cheesecake or our signature pistachio cocktail. Experience our liquor trolley with a curated selection of aperitifs from local artisans as well as timeless global favorites. Our rooms are inspired by the elegance of Bauhaus design, clean lines, functional aesthetics and an atmosphere of modern comfort with understated luxury. Our hotel is located where former East and West Berlin meet. Sleep on one side of the bed and you're in the East, turn to the other and you're in the West. Just minutes away, Berlin's cultural iconics, the Brandenburg Gate, the Berlin Philharmonic and the city's largest park, the Tiergarten, are right at your doorstep. Thanks to the excellent public transport connections, Berlin's iconic sites are just moments away. Our hotel is the perfect starting point for exploring the city, whether you're here for culture, history or the vibrant urban life. After a long day in the city, our health club is the perfect retreat. Finally, there is no better place to end an evening than our new Chronobar, right at the heart of our hotel, where guests are invited to indulge in an atmosphere defined by elegance and taste. Our signature drinks are named after some of Berlin's most iconic neighborhoods, each created with ingredients that reflect the character of its area. My favorite is the Bellevue, with a touch of cremant. Berlin is a city like no other, a place you can only truly understand once you've experienced it. At the Berlin Marriott Hotel, we look forward to welcoming you and making your stay unforgettable.